Hey guys, it's Miss Mayra from the Raj Public Library. Today I'll be doing our final hands-on in story time for the summer. Today our craft is a sword. So I ordered a lot of these and you guys can come pick these up. So you guys can color them, paint them, and decorate them however you want. I painted mine and I added some jewels. You guys can come pick these up during curbside hours or call and make an appointment. And for today's sensory activity, I made ice cream sensory bags where I printed ice cream cones, a paper with ice cream cones, and then I added pom-poms, and I'll show you guys how to make that in a minute. But this is a way so they can match the color of pom-poms, ice cream scoops with the color of the cones, or you guys can write numbers and they'll have to match the number that goes with the cup. I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. Okay, so you will need a gallon Ziploc bag, hair gel, and pom-poms of different colors, and cardboard, duct tape, or any kind of tape, and then this printable that you guys are able to come pick up as well. Okay, so we are going to pour the hair gel. It can be messy, so be careful. Okay, let's see. We're going to do about half of this bottle. Okay, about that much. And then you are going to add your pom-poms. It doesn't matter how many you put in, but they should be different colors. Okay. We're going to spread it. And then you're going to let all the air out of the bag. Close it. And you're going to spread it out. Okay. After that, you are going to get your cardboard and you're going to set the bag there. And now we're going to tape the sides. Okay. But you are going to leave the top open, so you're not going to put any tape there. Okay. So we're going to tape it down. You're going to move the pom-poms so they're not in the way. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is the tricky part because you have to leave the top open a little bit. Okay, there has to be a space so you guys can put the paper in. Okay, and then you guys can fix it after you guys put the paper inside. Okay, and there you go. I know it looks kind of messy, but then you guys can match the pom-poms with the color of the cone, like that. When you guys receive this template, it's just going to be the cones, and you guys can color it or add numbers like I did right here, and then you guys can just move the pom-poms like that to match the number. If you guys want to add more gel, that's fine. I just did half a bottle, and it's really fun to play with. Okay, this other sensory activity is a frozen shaving cream ocean sensory bin. Looks really cool. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Okay, so you will need a bowl or any type of container and shaving cream and your food coloring. I'm using blue because of the ocean, and then little ocean creatures that I ordered online, and then a popsicle stick. Just stir the color. Okay, then after that we are going to add blue food coloring. I am going to add quite a bit, but I do want to mention that this can be messy and it will stain your hands. Okay, so then after that we are going to stir it like this, and it looks really cool. Just move it around. You guys can add more food coloring to get that blue to show up more. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. Okay. So then after you get it as blue as you want, you guys can add your little ocean creatures on top. And then after that, you are going to put this bowl in the freezer for like about an hour and a half. And then I'll show you guys the results afterwards. To let you guys know that teaching kids to use their senses through sensory play is a great way to open their mind to imagination and creative thinking. So this frozen shaving cream ocean sensory bin lets your child crumble and feel the items that can go from thawed to frozen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it's frozen. It does kind of look the same, but the texture is really, really different. So we're going to get messy. Okay, so if you guys see, there's a different texture. It feels really cool. I don't know how to describe it because it feels like ice cream, melted ice cream. But the kids are able to play with it and feel the different textures and then play with their little creatures. It is very messy. Like I said, it will stain your hands, but that's the fun part of it. Also, it teaches the kids that textures will change quickly once the frozen shaving cream starts to unthaw again. So this is a really fun sensory activity if you guys want to get messy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.